Okay, right, we have video. This is the do-it-yourself bi-directional coupler, part 3, the video part 3, the final in the series. And so what's new is the new coupled line. This is the original line from the part 2 which we tested, and I've added the second coupled line, and it's now a bi-directional coupler. So on this side here we have the Schottky diode. There's the red wire is the detector output, and on the opposite side of the through line, on this side we have the Schottky diode, and the red wire is the output of the second line. Okay, so the power coming in from the VTX. VTX is a 5.8 gigahertz, 200 milliwatt VTX, power on lead, so it's powered up. 6 dB coupler, and now there's no second coupler. The Mac technology coupler's been removed. It's a straight test to the new board. And also something else I was going to do for you, I'll unclip this. A bit of luck, you can read the VSWR meter. The bias is on, so we just take the RF off, double check, and we can adjust the bias. By the way, at 0 it's been offset, so it's 3 microamps. Right, power it up. And a little bit of cooling happens every time, by the way, with these VTXs. The power starts off high and drifts back slightly. Right, so we have the two detectors. At the moment the meter's connected to the bottom coupled line here. Schottky diode, so it's the VR. So the bottom of the board is towards me is the VR. Top of the board is VF, the forward voltage from the VTX. So we got on the reflected voltage. There's a new coupled line, so we just checked that it's working to spec. So for the fully 100% reflected power, 1.36. So you see it's drifted back slightly again. Okay, so we'll put the 50 ohm load on. Not too bad. Okay, that's the VR with determination test. It's quite good. Connect. Right, the 6 dB test for VSWR 1.66. Right, actually 1.65, pretty cool. Then you can calculate it if you like. That's the 6 dB reflected voltage from a 6 dB attenuator, 12 dB return loss, VSWR 1.66. But everything's working well, 100% reflected power again. And I'm going to unplug this is the reflected voltage, 100% reflected, and we'll plug the other bi-directional coupler line in, and we've got exactly the same voltage. So that's VF forward, and it was also the same voltage as VF reflected, 100%. So there you go, proof is in the pudding. It's working very well, and probably get under 5 minutes for this video. That's all, folks. I think it's quite conclusive, and I'll say cheerio, and see if I can get the off button in one go this time. Where's that off button gone again?